right. I am so excited to come on today and say that today is officially the official day that I step into the entrepreneur role. And what I mean by that is I turned in my notice for my full time job. I know. What in the world are you doing? 60 and quitting a full time job with benefits and a 401k. Well, the reason for that is because I believe in myself. I've always poured into others. I have served others my entire life. Now it's time for me to serve me and pour into me. Now, with that, I'm going to bless so many other people. It's not just about me, but this is something that I want to do. I want to be my own boss and bless people. So, with that being said, I had the opportunity to do a walkthrough for one of the homes in Dallas. It's called Big Love Ministries. And when I tell you my mouth was hanging wide open, I mean, it's everything that I want. It's got scriptures all over the walls, crosses. You can feel God's presence as soon as you walk in the home. As a matter of fact, the house manager said that that is a required rule. Everybody must be a believer. They must believe and pray. They must serve others. And so I did a walkthrough and I was able to see the furniture requirements, the code compliance requirements, the binder, the fire exits, and the layout of the home. And it really looks as a home and serves as a home. It's a welcome blessing to all those that live there. And they shared their stories, some of their stories with me. And they said that they were very excited that it has been a blessing to them. They are being serviced there. They are learning. They're serving Christ. And what a blessing it is to have this second opportunity. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, that this really put a fire under me, knowing that this is possible. This is happening. Yes, I still have a long way to go. I have to wait for my license to be approved. Still have to get the property and all those things. But each step closer gets me more excited, and I know that this is going to come to fruition. Why do I know? Because God is at the foundation. Serving others is at the foundation. Being of service is at the foundation. So each one of us woke up this morning with 86,400 seconds. What are you going to do with yours today? What I started my day doing was pouring into myself and going to look at an example of where I want to be in the next 6 months. I'm saying 6 months. I'm speaking it into existence because I know I'm going to put the work in. Now that I work for myself, I don't have a choice. It's either, but I've stepped out on faith many times in my life. And my motto is God is either going to teach me how to fly or he's going to catch me before I fall. I know he's going to teach me how to fly, and he'll teach you too. So if you're as excited as I am about this journey that I'm on, please feel free to chime in, make comments, ask questions, because this is about my journey, but we're going through it together. And if there's anything that I can do to assist you, please feel free to reach out. With that being said, God bless you, be a blessing, and be a blessing to someone else. Have a good day. Bye-bye.